In this video, we're going to unravel the secrets of making money online with Clickbank. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. Our purpose here today is crystal clear. We want to show you how to kickstart your journey to financial freedom by leveraging the power of Clickbank. And the best part, you can do it all without spending a dime. Now, I want to set the stage right from the start. This isn't one of those vague, get-rich-quick schemes. No, this is a comprehensive step-by-step guide that's going to provide you with the tools, knowledge, and strategies you need to make money online legitimately. So, if you're ready to roll up your sleeves, commit to your success, and learn the ropes of Clickbank, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this exciting journey together, and I promise you, it's going to be worth every moment. Understanding the opportunity. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Clickbank, let's take a moment to understand the incredible opportunity that lies before us. We're living in a world of economic uncertainty, where inflation is on the rise, and the cost of living seems to be skyrocketing by the day. The job market is more competitive than ever, and traditional income sources may not provide the financial security we all crave. This is where alternative income sources come into play, and Clickbank is a shining beacon in this regard. It offers an accessible avenue for anyone to tap into the immense potential of online affiliate marketing. But before we get too excited, let's address some common misconceptions. Misconception number 1. Making money with Clickbank is a walk in the park. Well, I hate to burst the bubble, but it's not as simple as clicking a few buttons and watching the cash roll in. Effective strategies and hard work are essential. Misconception number 2. You need a ton of money to start. Nope. You can begin without spending a single cent. Understanding these facts is crucial to your success. So, stay tuned as we delve into the strategies that will set you on the path to Clickbank profitability. It's time to debunk myths and arm you with the knowledge you need to make this venture a real success. Choosing the right approach. Now that we've set the stage for success, let's talk about choosing the right approach when it comes to Clickbank. It's crucial to understand that making money here isn't just about promoting obscure or low competition products and hoping for the best. No, it's about strategy and tapping into what people are already interested in. Emphasize the right approach. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that less competition means more profit. However, the reality is quite different. The key to success on Clickbank is not just about finding products that have low gravity or are relatively unknown. Instead, it's about selecting products that genuinely resonate with your target audience. Quality matters over quantity, and we'll dive deep into this concept. Promote popular products. Rather than going for those obscure, low-gravity products, consider promoting products that people are already searching for and interested in. This approach ensures that there's already a demand in the market, making your affiliate marketing efforts much more likely to bear fruit. Navigating Clickbank. Now that we've discussed the right approach, let's dive into the practical side of things and navigate Clickbank like a pro. Creating your Clickbank account. It all starts with creating a Clickbank account. The good news is that this process is straightforward and user-friendly. We'll walk you through the simple sign-up steps, ensuring that you have your Clickbank account up and running in no time. But what if Clickbank isn't available in your country? That's where the next step comes in. Using a VPN for inclusivity, Clickbank's availability can be limited in certain regions. However, we're all about inclusivity here. If Clickbank isn't accessible in your country, don't worry. We'll show you how to use a virtual private network or VPN to overcome this hurdle, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their location, can seize the Clickbank opportunity. So whether you're just starting or looking for ways to adapt to your specific circumstances, we've got you covered. Exploring the Clickbank marketplace. Now that you've got your Clickbank account set up, it's time to explore the heart of this platform, the Clickbank Marketplace. Accessing the Clickbank Marketplace. Navigating to the Clickbank Marketplace is a breeze, and we'll guide you through it step by step. This is where you'll find a vast array of products across various niches, waiting for you to promote and earn commissions. Focusing on top offers. Here's a golden rule when it comes to the Clickbank Marketplace. Focus on the top offers. Popularity isn't just a sign of success, it's practically a guarantee. We'll show you how to identify these high-performing offers, ensuring that you're putting your time and effort into products with a proven track record of success. Choosing a product to promote. Choosing the right product to promote on Clickbank can be a game changer in your affiliate marketing journey. Let's get into it. Emphasizing commission size. It's essential to prioritize products that offer substantial commissions, ideally at least $100 per sale. While smaller commissions can add up over time, focusing on higher paying products can fast-track your earnings. We'll delve into why this matters and how to identify these gems in the Clickbank Marketplace. Evaluating products in the marketplace. Not all products are created equal, and that's where our critical evaluation skills come into play. We'll guide you through the process of assessing products, taking into account factors like the average commission per sale. By understanding these metrics, you'll be able to make informed choices and ensure your efforts lead to significant income. So, let's roll up our sleeves and start digging into the Clickbank Marketplace to uncover those high commission, high potential products that can make a real difference in your online earnings. Ready to find your golden ticket? Let's go. Introduction to paid traffic. Now, we're about to venture into a pivotal aspect of your Clickbank journey: paid traffic. The power of paid traffic. When it comes to promoting Clickbank products, paid traffic is often the secret sauce for success. It's the engine that can drive substantial income and fast-track your results. In this step, we'll dive deep into the concept of paid traffic, why it's incredibly effective, and how you can harness its potential to your advantage. Addressing misconceptions. Before we go any further, let's clear up a common misconception. You might have heard about free methods like review sites, blogs, or YouTube as avenues for making substantial income. While these methods have their place, it's important to understand their limitations. They often require significant time and effort, and success can be unpredictable. We'll explain why paid traffic offers a more controlled and potentially lucrative path to Clickbank success. Facebook advertising. Now that we're diving into the world of paid traffic, you might be wondering, why Facebook advertising? Well, let's explore the reasons why this platform is an ideal choice. The power of Facebook. Facebook stands out as a powerhouse for paid traffic, primarily due to its colossal user base and robust targeting capabilities. With over 2 billion active users worldwide, you have an unparalleled reach at your fingertips. Plus, Facebook's ad targeting options allow you to zero in on your ideal audience with pinpoint accuracy, making your marketing efforts highly effective. Budget-friendly for beginners. Here's the kicker. You don't need deep pockets to get started on Facebook. Even if you're a beginner, you can kick off your Facebook advertising journey with a small budget, say just $20 per day. This accessibility means that anyone, regardless of their financial situation, can tap into the potential of Facebook advertising. Creating a money page, understanding the money page. So, what exactly is a money page? Think of it as the bridge between your Facebook ads and the Clickbank offer you're promoting. It's a dedicated web page designed to pre-sell, inform, and engage your potential customers before they make the leap to the Clickbank product. This intermediary step is crucial for success. The power of the money page. A money page isn't just an extra step. It's your secret weapon for compliance and effective conversions. It allows you to provide essential information to your audience, build trust, and steer clear of potential ad policy violations. Moreover, it's a place where you can craft a compelling narrative that increases the chances of visitors clicking through to the Clickbank offer and ultimately making a purchase. So as we proceed, we'll guide you through the process of creating a money page that not only complies with regulations, but also enhances your Clickbank conversion rates. You are now on your way to mastering this essential aspect of affiliate marketing. And there you have it. We've explored the art of making free money online with Clickbank. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.